Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Wolfpack 365 Pack 15.5. As we get started up front here, this camper comes in at 44 foot long, tongue to bumper, and weighs right at 12,600 pounds empty. Up front here we have your molded fiberglass front cab with the LED accent lights. We have your fiberglass sidewalls. It is also prepped for the Furrion 360 where you can add the side cameras as well. Underneath here, we get some storage going all the way across, and this will connect to your pass-through storage as well. So it's all open up front there. This camper has the generator option. This current one does not have it, but the generator would sit right here if you were to add it. Otherwise, this is all just extra storage for you. And then over here, we have your battery compartment. As we move around to the side of the camper, we are going to have your 20-pound LP tank bottle. There is another one on the other side as well, and that will be filled by the Outpost RV. Here we have your front storage compartment. The power cord is included, and as you can see, we have a lot of pass-through storage there. This camper is equipped with the 2 power awnings with the blue LED accent lights. Each leg is adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. We have your sturdy steps going into the main entrance door here with the oversized grab handle. It is the black tempered glass entrance door. It has a full-size screen door and an integrated window as well. Here we have your outside kitchen area. We have your ice maker built in right here on the right. And then we have your outdoor fridge where the left-hand side is a freezer and the right-hand side is a refrigerator. So pretty cool option there as well. Right back here, we have your outside grill area. There is an LP quick disconnect underneath, so you can plug into the gas on the camper. That way you don't have to take an extra container with you. We have some storage back here. Right in front of that, we also have your leash latch, so the furry family members can tag along. Outside water source to go with the outside kitchen here as well. And then we have your electric jacks in the middle. There's a switch right here to run those up and down. This is actually a 6-point leveling system. So you have 2 in the front, 2 right here, and we have 2 more in the back. Outside entertainment center where your connections are right here. TV bracket up top. So you can take the TV out, bring it in here, drop it in, and watch your TV outside as well. Down below, these are the quick easy loop axles. All 4 wheels have self-adjusting brakes. And they also have these tire pressure monitoring systems on there. And how that works, the side of this will turn red if you're low on air. So we'll unscrew that to demonstrate. And that way you can just walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. Another really neat feature here is in the garage area. If you have a side-by-side that you're loading up or a golf cart that comes all the way up to the corner, they have this extra door so you can reach in here with your tie-down strap and get that secured. Outside speakers that light up blue. Back here, we have your other switch for the rear stabilizers. We also have your glass patio door back here, which really opens up the garage space, letting in a lot of natural sunlight. We have your ventilation system here. There's going to be another vent on the other side, so if you're hauling something with fumes in it, you can keep it aired out as you're traveling down the road. And down here in the back, we have another leash latch. Moving around to the back side of the camper, we have your patio system all set up for you. You'll notice we have the 3 Seasons wall included at our price as well. So you can have it all glass or with the glass lowered with the screen to let in more fresh air as well. Up top, we have the nice bright LED accent light and the backup camera is included. Also at the very top, we have a ladder prep. So you can buy a telescoping ladder separately, hook it up there and get off the roof, get on the roof for maintenance purposes. And down below here, we have a sewer hose holder. Also your dump station in the back here. This is just going to be another access door for that tie-down quick connect here. And then also your cable satellite connection. So if the campground offers that, you can tap right into it as well. And now we're going to move to the front of the slide room here. Up here we have your furnace. And then we have your on-demand water heater. It is a tankless water heater, on-demand. It is gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water. So about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. Up here we have your water fill station with your fresh water on the left side. city water on the right-hand side. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, you would use the fresh water to fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your pump and use that water. And if you're at a campground, you hook up to the city water and that'll pressurize the lines for you. Underneath that, we have your black tank flush. So when you're done camping, you hook the water hose up here and that'll clean out the black tank for you. And then we also have another high pressure spray port here, same with the blue coil hose sprayer on the other side. And this is a 50 amp unit and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. Last but not least, we're going to have the other side of your pass-through storage and the other 20-pound LP tank. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Cherokee Wolfpack 365 15.5. And now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice we have your theater seating directly in front of us in the slide room. Nice big windows in the slide room as well. We have your pantry, refrigerator, access to the garage with the opening up top, which also has a sliding door for that. Counter space, with your cabinets up top. TV, which sits directly across from your theater seating. And then we'll go ahead and get started right here inside the entrance door. We have your main control panel where you can see how full your tanks are. Turn your lights on and off. There are also 12-volt heating pads on your holding tanks for cold weather camping. You can turn that on and off. Water pump, slide room, and your awnings in and out right there. Over here, this is going to be the back side of your outside kitchen. So we have this bar area, a lot of counter space up here. We have a 110 and 12-volt charge port behind it. Your window, we have the night shades there. Nice big TV. It is a smart TV as well. Again, we have this overhead storage in the kitchen area. Nice large kitchen window there as well. Tons of counter space that comes around. We have a 110 outlet at the end of the counter here. You also get this countertop extension, which simply lifts up and locks into place, giving you more counter space here. We have this nice large farmhouse style kitchen sink. It has the high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer. On the right-hand side, we have your cup rinsing station. So you can turn your cup upside down, push down on it, and rinse your cup out. The farmhouse sink here has several attachments with it, including this cutting board. And it's also going to have a couple different strainers with it as well. And the drying rack there. But as you can see, that is a nice large single bowl sink. Some open face storage there to the right. We have your storage underneath. Down below the microwave, we have your breakers and fuses. With the microwave, that is a convection oven and air fryer all in one there. And then we have some storage drawers over here to the right. Directly above the microwave, we have your 3-burner stove that also has the glass cover, so you can utilize that as prep space if you are not cooking. Range vent that will vent to the outside. Another 110 outlet in the corner here. On this side wall, we have this attachment here, which has several different attachments with it, if you will, giving you a spice rack and storage area. Those are very easy to take off if you did not need those as well. And as you can see, we have your 110 outlet directly underneath that as well. Down here in the bottom corner, we have your CO detector, as well as your LP detector down there. And now we're going to move back into the garage area. We have this nice wide garage door. You'll notice the ladder prep here. We have the ladder set up in the garage right now, but you can also add it to this side if you wanted to. And there is a sliding door up top, so you could close that off if you have storage up there, or if somebody's sleeping up there as well. Back here in the garage, one thing that Wolfpack does very well, you'll notice all the tie downs on the floor, and those go all the way up here as well, allowing you to bring your motorcycle, ATV, whatever it might be, all the way in here. You'll notice that we have that patio door in the back with the Three Seasons wall. The Wolfpack emblem, which lights up blue over here on the right. TV on the left-hand side, and of course that nice large sliding glass door there. And right over here inside the entrance door, we have this fireplace. So per code, you can't have heat in the floor of a garage area coming up through the floor. So we have this fireplace here, which will also act as a heat source in the garage area. 110 outlet. This is for the stereo. You can sync your phone to it. And zone 1 and zone 2 for your inside-outside speakers, but then you can play music from your favorite app, like Pandora. There is a camera prep in the garage, so if you wanted to add a camera back here, you can keep an eye on your toys as you're traveling down the road. Back here, we have a half bath. You'll notice there's a tie-down bracket here. This wall is actually on a hinge, and this wall can collapse completely. So that way, if you're loading a side-by-side or something, you can actually pull it all the way in here, utilizing all of the garage space. We have a window in the bathroom, a 110 outlet. You get this nice sink area, which will fold up flush. And then, of course, with the toilet down below here. And now we're going to back out. You'll notice that we have the ladder set up here to gain access to up top with that extra sleeping or storage compartment. The TV is also included back here. We have several speakers back here. And as you can see, the AC is ducted all the way through. Three Seasons wall in the back here, which you can have the windows down and have the screens opened up like it is right there. Or you can close the windows and have it with all the glass if you're doing some fall camping or cold weather camping there. Again, over here we have the Wolfpack emblem. Lights up blue with more speakers up there. We have these two nice large windows here. Underneath that, we're going to get this bar area, which can collapse and fold flat to the wall. Couple 110 and 12 volt charge ports there. And of course, the two bar stools as well. And now we'll get a look at this loft area. Plenty of room to sleep a couple people up there. Or you can certainly utilize that for storage. And now we'll move to the inside and take a look at the slide room area. Over here in the slide, underneath the refrigerator, you get some open storage. And then this is a 12 volt refrigerator. We do currently have 200 watts of solar mounted on the roof, which will help run this while traveling down the road. The 12 volt refrigerators are much deeper than the gas electric and also more efficient as well. Right beside that, we have your pantry area. It has the frosted glass pantry door here. Really gives it a nice home feeling as well. Another unique feature, we have your built-in drawers underneath. And then lots of shelves up here as well. In the slide room, again, we have this large window. We have the theater seat, which all three seats will recline. They are also the heated massage chairs on the two chairs on the outside. And then, of course, we have the cup holders that light up blue and the blue LED accent lights as well. Light switch and 12 volt charge port in the slide room. We have your furnace and a 110 outlet over here. This would be right inside the door. You have a spot to hang up your clothes and hang your keys right there. And now we will move up into the bathroom and bedroom area. Right here on the wall going up, we're going to have a digital thermostat, and that will be for the main air conditioner down here in the living room. The bedroom also has its own AC as well. Here we have storage underneath the sink. Lots of counter space in here. 110 outlet in the bathroom. We have your medicine cabinet. Next up, we have the shower. That is also going to have a skylight up above it. I'm going to pan over to the left a little bit here and show you this large max air vent that acts as an exhaust fan in here. Here we have the upgraded shower head and the shower curtain to pull across. This is a nice large square pan here, giving you plenty of room inside. And here you can see the furnace is ducted through into the bathroom as well. And down below we have your toilet area. On our way out, we'll take a look at the digital thermostat. And this is going to be for the on-demand water heater, where you can turn that on and off and adjust the temperature of the water itself. Now we'll move up into the main bedroom area. Again, we have this massive window in here. They really put good sized windows, helps open everything up in here as well. And on the wall to our left, you're going to get a light switch and another thermostat, and that will be for the air conditioner in the bedroom here. Here we have your oversized mattress. Underneath that, if we lift it up, you are going to gain some storage under here. You'll notice that they have these storage totes. Those decorative totes. There's 3 on the left and 3 on the right. And then they have these bench seats, so you can utilize that to sit down and put your shoes on there as well. We do have a nightstand over here with a 110 and 12-volt charge port with some open storage down below. Decorative wallboard, storage up top with the cabinet doors, so you can utilize that as storage while traveling. And then you get more hanging storage over here and another 110 and 12-volt charge port. Over here we have another large window. This camper has the furnace ducted through the floor up in the bedroom as well. There is a TV backer location here that is going to be on this wall. We have the connections up top. And we also have this 12-volt charge port. So if you add the camera in the garage or the Furrion 360 system, you can keep your screen charged up and use that as a security device as well. Here we have more hanging storage over here. Some open face storage down below. Also another unique feature with this model, it is prepped for the washer and dryer hookup. So that is going to be in the back corner here. It gets a little dark underneath here, but you'll see the washer dryer hookup here on the left hand side. And we have your outlet for the dryer as well. So that is prepped and ready to go. And then last but not least, I wanted to point out the actual air conditioner itself. That is up on the ceiling here. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Wolfpack 365 Pack 15.5. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.